Today we are going to continue our project, part 3. Okay, we are going to paint the mountains. Now, before we are doing the painting, make sure that the mountains are all dry. Okay, my mountain is dry. How about you? Okay, so get your material ready. You will be needed a brush, tempera paint. Okay, this is my tempera paint. Okay, it's in a liquid form. Okay. And probably need some water. I put my water inside a spray. Psst. Okay, if your paint is too thick, you can spray a bit of water to dilute the paint. It will help you to paint the things easily, smoothly. Okay, now you needed some color mixing. Here Miss Lisa is using brown, white, and a little bit of black. Let's get started. Painting, you might get a little bit messy. It's okay, you can wash your hands after that.